I'm gonna make a tree stand back up. Had a big storm, trees are really down everywhere. Here's one here. Got a damaged tree down, is now tied to the tree. Tied that tree to this tree. Trying to pull it. Let's do it. That's not doing a damn thing. It's gonna take a little bit more than my muscles can do. We're gonna take this rope, tie it to the truck. End of the rope, truck. Oops, doing this and all the way around. We can do this. Slowly pulling it, doing it. Look at that. Magic. Put the tree right back up. All right, this tree all stood up. Hey, that's how you straighten a tree.